Okay, this is baby Clara. Say hello, Clara. Oh, she's going to say hello. Are you going to say hello? She is such a cutie pie. All 1.34 ounces of her, or 1.34 pounds. You tell us. Tell us all about it. You tell us about it. Yeah, she's doing good. That's Miss Clara. She's a cutie. Are you a cutie? Miss Clara, are you cute, baby? Oh, don't get me. Oh, get me. Oh, can't get me. Are you gonna get me? Oh, get me. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. She's gonna give kisses. Wanna give some kisses? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby? Huh? What are you doing, Clara? Are you sweet? Huh? Are you sweet, baby? Oh, yes, I am. Yes, I am. I am. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she's so cute. What are you gonna do? Oh. Oh, you just tell. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Oh, she is a doll. She is an absolute baby doll. All right. Say bye-bye, Clara. Clara.